ya Nairobi nigo bono abakori mirimo yense bagochengera Eiki yo Korwa Obokoreri gose customer care week ase county ya Nairobi abakori mirimo nigo bachengera omoyego igasense moya HUDUMA center hase barire ira yo gochia kogendera Korwa Obokoreri obuya nabo igo barwari baga gose yo gochia kwaneke abuna bateja babo mbachiko gokera Obokoreri ase Eiki ga omoyego yo nigo ragwa no mowaziri b'Obokoreri omweshimiwa RUKU asarure ho gukura ho gotindi gochia saba kuri mirimo be serikali bari bagotumia hamasakara yo borimo yechisemi nabo igo kwaneke obokurumi unanigo barachie kwemukirigwa egetambo keregetindi kerichiko na gotomanyo muri kito Linet Nyambane
Chingaki abakori emirimo imeyense bagochengera Eiki yo Korwa Obokoreri ase county ya Nairobi omoyego yo nigoragwa no mowaziri w'abakori emirimo RUKU ase CHIABISI chinene cha HUDUMA center.
This week is a week to remind all of us who are in public service that we have an obligation, we have a duty to ensure we are committed and Kenyans who come to us go back home when they are happy and when they feel that they have been served in the most appropriate way.
Gukwana asomo yego yo RUKU nigo aruro gukurira ogutindi gochasa abakori emirimo bari bagutumia amasakara yo borimo nabo igo abakurumi buna inyimbo yabo nigereriko.
We have many people working in government who have been paid double pay, who have changed job groups 3 times a year, who have been exempting taxes which are not supposed to be exempted, who have changed their date of birth again and again to cheat on the date of retirement. So if you are a human resource director in government institution and you know you are doing this, very soon we are coming for you, you will be prosecuted.
Chingaki checho nigo aenekiri eserikali nechikubwaterana ne CHIABISI cha HUDUMA center ase chi county chonsi Korwa Obokoreri gochia saba na inchi aso kubwaterana ne sector chonsi.
And we are calling upon all the state departments which have citizen-facing services to ensure these services are available at HUDUMA centers across the Republic of Kenya. We know we have quite a number of state departments, quite a number of MDAs, agencies, government agencies, offering different services, and they are not yet available. Those services are not yet available at HUDUMA centers. We are calling upon those MDAs and government agencies to ensure their services are available across their established HUDUMA centers in the country.
Abarai babakori emirimo na barabo nigo batogirie emirimo bagokora gochia saba Kenya asebo igo barire ira yo gochia kogenderera Korwa Obokoreri obuya asa matukare bosio
in the public sector. But I want to declare and announce today with HUDUMA Kenya, public service excellence is mission possible.
Public services ensuring that every citizen is served with dignity. The theme Mission Possible resonates deeply with our collective mandate in the public service. It reminds us that through collaboration and innovation, we can overcome challenges and deliver quality services to all Kenyans.
Arenayo nigo omowaziri iboigo aruro bori gochia saba Kenya kwerikia asomoroberio ogendrete go kwerikia kwa bakichikura.
And very important for now, please, if you have applied for ID, pick your ID and go register as a voter, because we want all Kenyan, all young people to register in large numbers as voters, so that come 2027 you can go and make your independent decision on how you want this country to be governed.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV, erietaria ne Linet Nyambane.